start off the lateral epicondyle, actually the lateral supracondylar ridge, and we're gonna go through all the muscles innervated by the radial nerve first. So these are muscles that come off the lateral epicondyle, and they come down to be mostly extensors. We have the mobile wad of three, which are brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, and extensor carpi radialis brevis. Extensor carpi radialis longus has a longer tendon and will attach to the second metacarpal. Extensor carpi radialis brevis has a shorter tendon and more muscle belly and will attach to the third metacarpal. So this is longus, this is brevis. We continue to work our way around here. We have the extensor digitorum, which is going to go to extend these three digits. Next door to extensor digitorum, we have extensor digiti minimi. Next door to extensor digiti minimi, we're going to have extensor carpi ulnaris. Underneath these, we're going to have extensor indices, which is going to be an extra tendon coming down to the index finger, extensor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, abductor pollicis longus. We continue, we come back up to the top here. We have a muscle that goes the other direction here from the lateral epicondyle down to the ulna. This is called anconeus. It helps to extend the elbow. So anconeus helps to extend the elbow, and brachioradialis helps to flex the elbow. We also have this muscle here, which is called supinator. So the muscles of this side, supinator is going to, all of them are going to be innervated by the radial nerve. Radial nerve comes down and branches into a superficial radial nerve, which comes down to innervate the skin on the back of the hand, and a deep radial nerve, which goes underneath supinator. The deep radial nerve goes underneath supinator and is going to become the posterior interosseous nerve. Well, we'll be traveling with the posterior interosseous artery. So that's all the muscles off of the backside. As we continue down to the hand, we follow the backside down to the hand. The only muscles we have in the hand are dorsal interossei. We're going to have the first dorsal interossei, second, third, and fourth dorsal interossei. The only artery you were concerned about back here is the deep radial artery, and the two nerves that we worry about are the superficial radial nerve and the dorsal ulnar cutaneous. So nerves on the back of the hand are superficial radial and dorsal ulnar cutaneous. Artery is the deep radial, muscles are dorsal interossei. Other than that, we just go across the tendons. We have extensor carpi ulnaris, extensor digiti minimi, extensor digitorum, extensor indices, extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, abductor pollicis longus. So let's take a break on that one.